Space. It's bigger than big, bigger than vast. It's beyond comprehension. It's an endless expanse that stretches far beyond our wildest imaginations. Imagine the largest thing you can, a mountain, a planet, a star. Now multiply that by infinity. That's space. An infinite canvas of wonders and mysteries, full of stars, planets, galaxies, and mysteries. Each celestial body holds secrets waiting to be discovered. We look up at the night sky, filled with awe. The vastness above us is both humbling and inspiring. Countless stars twinkle, each a distant sun, each one a beacon of light in the dark expanse. Some planets we see are giants, others small and rocky, each with its own unique story. What secrets do they hold? What tales do they whisper across the void? What wonders await us out there? What marvels lie beyond our reach? Humanity has always been drawn to the unknown. The stars have always called to us. The drive to explore is in our DNA. It's a part of who we are. And there's no greater unknown than the cosmos, the final frontier. Our journey to understand it has just begun. We've only started to scratch the surface. This is the story of our quest to unravel the mysteries of space, a journey of discovery and wonder. We've taken our first steps, launched rockets, walked on the moon. But there's so much more to explore. But we've barely scratched the surface. The universe is calling and we must go. The adventure awaits. Our fascination with space is ancient. Stories of celestial beings and heavenly journeys fill our oldest myths. But it wasn't until the 20th century that we truly began to reach for the stars. The dream of space travel went from fantasy to reality in 1957. The Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite. This small, beeping sphere changed everything. The space race had begun. Just 4 years later, another milestone. Yuri Gagarin, a Soviet cosmonaut, became the first human in space. His flight lasted just 108 minutes, but it was a giant leap for mankind. The world watched in awe. The impossible had become possible. The final frontier was open and humanity was ready to explore. The space race became a symbol of national pride. The United States and the Soviet Union poured resources into space exploration. Each new mission was a victory. In 1969, the world held its breath. American astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin landed on the moon. One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind, Armstrong famously declared. The Apollo missions were a triumph of human ingenuity. They showed us that anything is possible. They inspired generations to dream of reaching for the stars. But the space race wasn't just about competition. It fostered collaboration and innovation. It led to countless technological advancements, technologies we use every day, from GPS to satellite communication. For decades, space exploration was the domain of governments. But things are changing. Private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are ushering in a new space age.